I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple stops to your route on your Maps app on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Maps app, and I'm just going to select this random location right here. And this is going to be my end location, or this could be my first location if it's going to be a stop on the way. We can change that later, and I'll show you how. First, we're going to click the blue icon that starts the directions. Now here you can see the marked location as the destination for this route. We can click Add Stop, and then we can type in whatever location we want. Let's say I want to go to the city of Brea or the Brea Mall. Now, as you can see, the marked location is first from my location to the marked location and then the Brea Mall. But if you look on the map, the Brea Mall is on the way to the other marked location in red. So we would probably want to go to the Brea Mall first. To change the order of these locations, we're going to tap and hold on the three lines next to the location that I want to drag to the other spot. So I'm going to click and drag the Brea Mall location above the marked location. And now we see that our route is in order and we can stop at the preferred location before the other one. Now you know how to add multiple stops to your Maps app on your iPhone.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.